HiCall, AI Call Assistant, is one of the latest tools that has just hit the market, and in this video, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're running a business, managing calls, or just trying to streamline your communication, this AI-powered call assistant could be a game changer. So stay tuned, because you won't want to miss these details. Before we dive in, you can try HiCall. AI Call Assistant completely free from the first link below. I'm going to walk you through how it works and what makes it stand out from the rest. But trust me, you'll want to see the demo for yourself to really grasp its full potential. First off, let's talk about ease of use. HiCall AI. Call Assistant integrates seamlessly into your existing phone system. You don't need any complex setups or technical knowledge to get started. You simply sign up, connect it to your phone, and it's ready to handle calls for you. For anyone looking for a plug-and-play solution, this is about as simple as it gets. Now, the core feature here is its AI-powered call handling. HiCall doesn't just act as a call forwarding service. It actually manages your calls for you. The AI can answer, transcribe, and even respond to calls based on preset parameters you define. Whether it's handling customer inquiries or filtering out spam, it's an incredibly efficient way to manage your phone system. The transcription feature is another standout. If you've ever needed to listen back to a call but didn't have the time, HiCall's AI transcribes your calls into text in real time. This makes it incredibly easy to review conversations or pull out key points without having to listen to the whole recording. Next, let's discuss customization. HiCall AI Call Assistant allows you to personalize how it handles different types of calls. You can set up call scripts, decide how calls should be routed, and even program the AI to respond differently based on the caller's profile. This customization is key for businesses that want to maintain a consistent tone and level of service. Another thing that's really impressive is the AI's ability to learn and improve over time. The more it interacts with callers, the better it gets at understanding tone, context, and nuances. This means that over time, HiCall will become even more efficient, and you'll see improvements in how it handles customer interactions. Now, HiCall isn't just for businesses. If you're someone who gets bombarded with calls and wants to improve your personal call management, this AI can help with that too. You can have it screen calls, prioritize important ones, and even schedule follow-ups automatically. It's a time saver for anyone, whether you're an entrepreneur or just trying to reduce your phone-related stress. And of course, privacy is a concern when it comes to AI tools, and HiCall takes that seriously. Your calls are encrypted and the system complies with privacy regulations. You're in control of the data, and HiCall ensures that everything stays secure and confidential. So, is HiCall AI Call Assistant worth it? If you're someone who handles a lot of calls, whether for work or personal, this tool can massively reduce the stress and time spent managing calls. The AI is powerful, intuitive, and constantly improving, making it an incredibly valuable tool to have. I've tried thousands of AI tools over the years, and HiCall stands out for its simplicity, functionality, and effectiveness. If you're ready to take control of your calls and boost your productivity, I highly recommend giving it a try. You can access the free trial via the first link in the description below. Lastly, if you're interested in finding the best AI tools out there, I've got some more recommendations in the description, tools I've personally tested and trust. Don't forget to check those out and find the right one for your needs.